Clarifying connectives or transitional words are those that are used to explain what has been previously said. In other words, is such adverbial phrase. It is used to introduce a simpler and exact explanation what has been said. So let's look at this phrase in detail. Continue watching this video to learn how to use this phrase or how to use this transition word in everyday reading and writing. Hi, I am Archana Kalele from Good to Excellence. We are your online partner to learn IELTS, PTE, TOEFL and English communication. In this video today, we are going to see this transition word in other words. We are going to see how to use it, its meaning and its punctuation. So synonyms of in other words are that is to say, that is, to put it another way. Let's look at a few examples to illustrate. He is a nice boy, but there are too many differences between the two of you. In other words, he is not the right partner for you. So there are too many differences between the two of you equals to he is not the right partner for you. So, in other words is used to rephrase what one says by way of explanation or clarification. We use different words to simplify or make clear. Let's check the next example. Make hay while the sun shines. In other words, use your time effectively. Or, in other words, don't waste time. Make hay while the sun shines is a well-known proverb that means to utilize time correctly. The manager said, my skills are more suited elsewhere. In other words, he fired me. I asked my mother for a puppy and she said, we will see. In other words, I can't have one. As we all know, when our parents say we'll see, it usually means they are not open to the idea. I remember saying it to my son too. Let's look at how to write in other words in sentences. As with most transition words or phrases, we need to know how to use punctuation in the sentence as we are transitioning from one part of the sentence to the other. So, let's take a look at the following sentence. The movie was a disaster. If we need to explain what we mean by this, we can use a transition phrase like that is to say, that is, or our connective phrase in other words. Check the example. The movie was a disaster. In other words, it was bad. The movie was a disaster is a statement. It was bad, clarification. We can connect both using in other words in a second sentence separating it by a comma. The movie was a disaster. In other words, it was bad. Suppose we want to write it as a single sentence. How will we write it? The movie was a disaster, semicolon. In other words, it was bad. As both parts are independent clauses, we may separate in other words with a semicolon and put a comma after it. We may use comma to separate it from the two clauses with the addition of conjunction or. The movie was a disaster, comma, or in other words, really bad. Here we have joined an independent clause to a phrase. We cannot write the movie was a disaster, comma, in other words, comma, it was bad. It's wrong. we would need two separate sentences or semicolon for two independent clauses. In other words, may be separated by commas mid-sentence when it is a non-essential phrase. This means that the meaning does not change if we remove it from the sentence. He did what no one had done before. He was, in other words, a pioneer. Now let's remove our connective phrase and check it. He did what no one had done before, full stop. He was a pioneer, full stop. So, as you can see, the meaning does not change. So, let's summarize and clarify what we just learnt. In other words, is a transition phrase we use for making clear or explaining what we just said. In other words, it is a clarifying connector. We use it to mean, that is to say, that is what I mean is, to put it another way. For instance, he was boastful and conceited. The meaning of conceited is extremely proud of oneself. So let's read the sentence again. He was boastful and conceited. In other words, self-centered. Most roads are blocked due to repair work. In other words, it will take us a long time to travel. We may use it at the beginning of the clarifying sentence with a comma after it. We separate two independent clauses by a semicolon followed by in other words and a comma after it. We can separate an independent clause from a dependent clause or phrase using or with in other words. For example, it was a great day, comma, or in other words, comma, a time to remember. Mid-sentence, we can use it as a non-essential phrase. Example, Sally's work became, comma, in other words, comma, a gift to mankind. Now, I think you know how to use this connective. So let's try the quiz. Pause your video and take this quiz. Check your answers now. How did you fare? Well, I hope that was interesting. Please revert to us with your comments and like and share the video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye.